Look, I'm 49. I just want to be able to laugh or sneeze without it becoming a whole situation. Is that really too much to ask? My life is way too chaotic for any type of leak emergency. Between the weights at the gym and carrying heavy loads for work, my life is one big stress test for my bladder. I'm tired of living in a state of clench and pray just to get through my day. So I started using Uresta. It's an internal support, not a pad, that prevents leaks before they even start. Uresta fits into my routine as easily as my morning coffee, and honestly, it's one less thing to stress about. Save your pants and your sanity.